What's up, homies? I'm here at one of my favorite places to fish, and I am already getting obliterated by gnats. But hopefully, if I can survive, we're going to try to catch some fish. I've been pretty hard and heavy on catfish here lately, mainly because bass around here have been on beds. Spawn's been hot and heavy here lately, and most of the places I fish are real muddy. And the shallow areas will be back up in the trees. It's real hard to get to, so I don't really have that much fun actually fishing during the spawn. So, well, right now I'm hoping that I'm trying to do a YouTube video here. Hoping we're at the tail end of the spawn, hopefully getting into the post-spawn. Had some warm temperatures here lately. I don't know what the water temperature is right here, but when we was fishing yesterday, it was about 70 degrees, so should be getting close anyways. I'm ready to do a little cast and retrieve. Don't get me wrong, I love some catfishing, but I'm ready to get after something else. Bass, grinnell, let's get them.
Oh, a couple.
Well, alright, that wasn't no terrible day. It's kind of hard-headed about my lures. I started out with top water, this buzzbait right here that I made. I caught the first two fairly quickly, so anytime that happens to me, I want to stick with it. I stuck with it too long, probably. I just wished it was spinnerbait earlier, but I didn't get any more bites for like an hour, and switched to a chartreuse and white spinnerbait and caught 4 more. So I'm gonna call it a day. The gnats won today, if anybody did. The gnats basically run me off the lake. There for a while it got real windy, and that helped, but man, the wind died down and these gnats are just terrible. Golly, I probably got a whole nest of them in my beard. Anyways, it's a good day. You know, I have good days and better days when it comes to fishing. We'll see you next time.